What's up, guys? Hadley Basson here. And today we're just gonna do some trout fishing today, or anything that'll bite. It's a nice fall day out, November 15th, and right now tied on this fluorescent spinner. And I'm thinking that the trout aren't gonna be aggressive today, so we're gonna throw on a little grub style bait, and we'll get that on just in a second. So I'm gonna take a few more casts around, see if we get anything. And after that, I'm gonna try on that and see what happens. We're gonna tie this bad boy on here. I don't know what this is, probably 1/16 ounce jig head. And we got little fluorescent orange grub here. I caught a lot of stuff in this pond just on this bait. Anything ranging from bass to bluegill, even to trout. So that's what we're going for today, is trout. I'm gonna tie this on. I saw some over there. We're gonna see if they're aggressive. They were sitting out right by the shore. Try to get them on this. Nice. Look at that. Nice quality rainbow. Nice. Let him go. That's number one for today. He hit that grub. I was just jigging it. Probably 10 feet out from the shore. He hit it, barely even felt him. They're really not aggressive this time of year. They're getting ready for the winter. Even with the cold, they experience the change in temperature too. They just get really lethargic like the bass. And they're not hitting spinners. I've been out here a few days the past week. Haven't been hitting spinners whatsoever. Haven't really gotten any, but that was the first one I got in a while, so let's try to get another one. Something you don't see every day. Nice little bass, November. He hit the little jig too. Really didn't expect him to hit it. He hit it just before, little tap. Didn't get the hook set on, but he had that right on the bottom lip. Nice. All right, I just want to make this short video. I'm thinking of getting back into YouTube. Just one video once in a while, nothing special. See where it goes, you know? Like, I'd love to make this my career. I know many people have done it, and I got some good fishing content, and I just think it would be good to start it up back again, see how it goes. And yeah, as far as today goes, it was really slow. I mean, I can't really say that. I'm just cold right now. I'm gonna head back right now. It's going for anything, mainly trout. They're just not really in the mood to bite right now. The pond is getting another stock in probably the next couple weeks or so. And when that happens, I'll be back out here and I'll be slaying them. And yeah, drop a like, subscribe, anything. Appreciated. And as far as ice fishing goes, I'll be out here a lot. I'm really psyched for that. We're gonna be doing it on this pond too. And I feel like we're gonna get some good trout through the ice. So stick in. Thank you, guys.